Here at Gateway we offer a one-year automotive maintenance technician diploma and a two-year associate's degree in automotive technology. We start our technicians out as the basic fundamentals. Typical at that point you're doing oil changes, tire rotations, and as we go through the program we build your skills to make you a more productive technician.
Yeah, you start with the basics and you just pick it up along the way and everything builds on each other. But I really do enjoy being at this level now where we can be more challenged with more complicated repairs.
Most of our technicians at the end of the two-year program are ready to work as junior techs or full-line technicians.
I started out on the lube rack doing oil changes and tire rotates, and I got bumped up to an apprentice position, so now I'm 6 months into an apprenticeship.
A typical day will involve a short time in the classroom where the instructor will go over the day's activities, and then we're going to go out in the lab and spend the majority of our classroom time actually doing those tasks to a level that you're proficient with.
You get to learn why something does what it is that it does, how things operate, and then you'll get to go out into lab and put that application, that theory into an application to work. So that's probably my favorite part about it.
It's all about hands-on work, especially because I'm deaf, I'm very visual and very kinetic learner. So I think it really helped me in this program and I fell in love working that way because it is very hands-on.
We've partnered with Snap-on, Starrett, Fiat Chrysler to provide our students with state-of-the-art, up-to-date equipment.
The Horizon Center is great. I mean, it's state-of-the-art technology and tooling.
To be able to have those tools and cars and what we're provided at this facility is just really, truly amazing.
We have certifications tied to all the major pieces of equipment. And these are credentials that you can take to an employer that not only have you seen and worked on the equipment, you're also certified.
Having those ASCs, you can go into a job and you'll be more of an asset to them and you'll be able to get more money per hour as well.
One of the advantages of a degree in automotive technology is you're not limited to just a dealership or an independent shop as a technician. Many of our graduates will find work in management, owning their own shop, or working for automotive related industry.
I hope to be a master technician someday, keep working where I'm at, get a little more skilled, a little more knowledgeable, and go take my other ASCs and hopefully achieve that mastery rank.